Hello everybody, I'm Joe Morris, a Junior Product Manager at Nidec Drives, and I'm here to talk about the KI-Keypad Plus, which is a product we recently launched in November 2024. So one of the questions we get asked a lot is why we developed the KI-Keypad, and the short answer is for our customers. So mainly for the applications, the installation engineers, the maintenance engineers, they're on site dealing with the products and the drives themselves day to day. And we felt they deserved an easier solution to be able to monitor the drives and to commission the drives altogether, which is why we've added in every keypad Bluetooth, FastStart and customizable status screens. FastStart is basically a guided setup tool which walks the user step by step through the commissioning process so that their drive can be set up quickly and efficiently, and it saves lots of times opening the manual and calling technical support as well. Another question we get asked is what features we've added into aid diagnostics, so if the drive has a trip. And with the new keypad screen, we've got 2.8 inches of display where we can add in extra text for the setup parameters, so we can show descriptions of the parameters in, all sort of 700 parameters that are in our UniDrive products. And then we've also added in the trip descriptions as well. So what has happened to cause the trip and what a potential fix might be. The keypad is supported by the whole range of the Control Techniques drive products. So that's the Commander C, UniDrive M, Digitrax HD, and our specialist drives for HVAC, pump, and elevator. And it's now covered by our 5-year warranty, which we've also just announced as well. If you're interested in learning more about the KI-Keypad Plus, then visit us at the Nidec Drives website or contact one of the local drive centres.